This is a relic. It's a video recording from an old ATI Multimedia Center TV tuner. Modern video players don't have the codec. You need a legacy file converter. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert it. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade VCR file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. A VCR file is associated with the ATI Multimedia Recorder, a software application used for capturing and recording video content from various sources such as TV tuners or external video devices. The file stores the recorded video data, often in a proprietary format, optimized for playback within the ATI environment. These files may contain settings related to video quality and recording parameters. VCR files typically contain a header section that defines the video and audio codecs used, along with metadata such as recording date and time. The video and audio data are then stored in a multiplexed format, allowing for synchronized playback. The specific encoding schemes used can vary depending on the version of the ATI Multimedia Recorder and the user's settings. The specialized program designed to handle VCR is ATI Multimedia Recorder by ATI Technologies. The operating system generally only reads the file's header information, not its full content. Windows handles everyday video playback, while technical adjustments need professional tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your VCR file and choosing Open With. Try ATI Multimedia Recorder first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If your VCR file still refuses to open, stay calm. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, use VCR software. Open the file using the specific video recording software, e.g. specific DVR brand, that created the file. Next, use alternative player. Install and use a robust player like VLC Media Player that can handle proprietary video formats. Finally, convert format. If the original player fails, use the player's export or convert function to save the video as a standard .mp4 or AVI file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the VCR name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When specialized tools failed on your VCR file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Less troubleshooting, more productivity. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep your files working.